Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Good afternoon, good day, good morning, good night, wherever you're watching from in the world. I'm your girl Shade Boo. Thank you for clicking on this video. And today was a very long morning. We got up this morning, me, Greg, the kids, they had dentist appointments. Greg took them in, sat with them, because if you've been watching me, you know that I don't know, I have something with the dentist. I just can't, and I can't manage watching my kids go through it either. Even if it's something light, like a cleaning, they nerves times my nerves, it's just too much. Anyway, they sat through it, they got through it. They were good to go. And now we are back home. I'm heading out because I have to go get my coffee, for my iced coffee. And we stopped, on the way back, we stopped at, what's the name of that place? Sunday Morning, the viral cinnamon bun spot. I got a banana cinnabon, a strawberry cinnabon, Greg got banana, and I think a plain. Royce got cream cheese and regular cinnabon. But they have so many different kinds. So now I'm going to get my iced coffee from Mike's. And yeah, gonna come back upstairs. After they had their little procedures done in their mouth, they can't eat for like an hour or two. So Royce's waiting to eat her cinnabon. I gotta get some snacks for Zion. And what am I gonna have? Oh, I'm gonna have a sandwich. And we're gonna sit down and watch, I think it's called Primate. Is that the name of it? On Netflix? With the, what is it? A gorilla or a monkey or something like that. He's vicious. I haven't seen it, but yeah. So that's what we're doing. So when I get back upstairs, I will show you guys the cinnabons. And let me tell you right now, it's gonna make you wanna go get one. I'm just saying. Okay, y'all, I'm back from the store. I actually been back from the store for a while. I done came home, made me a sandwich. Sounding like Brumman from the 5th floor. From Martin, if you know, you know. Anyway, I came home, made a sandwich, and then I started watching Primate, I think that's what it's called, with the gorilla. And I fell asleep. Greg dozed off too, but he watched a good amount of it, more than I did. So I'm about to watch it again. Anywho, I wanted to show y'all, right? I got Sunday morning. So I wanted to show y'all what I got. Before I get ready to dig in, Royalty and Ready done ate all of theirs. This is mine. I got a banana. Look at my banana on the side that fell. Here go the strawberry and the banana. Yeah, see that? Oh. Yeah, so let me take a piece. Right. And they so soft. All right. Let me take a piece for y'all. First, y'all. Here. Now me. 31 minutes away from kickoff. We got a long ways to go here, my friend. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It does have a big good time. By the way, a quick update here in LA. My daughter just called me from Uncle Bill's Pancake House. Oh, food is love, I'm telling you. She said it is packed with American fans. Food is love. Let me take one more piece. Jenny mentioned it. 4 starters. Richards, Robinson, all yellow cards. They won't play because if they get a yellow card tonight means. All right, that's it. Husband is over there waiting for World Cup to start. Who's playing, Greg? Germany. Yesterday, Brazil won. Okay, that's my husband's team. I mean, he liked Brazil. And then being a bench player at the 2019 World Cup. And after we beat our opponent Thailand in the first game, we won 13-0. And I think that's the opportunity. And I'm about to get ready to season my chicken. Okay. Looks like it's ready for me to season. I'm about to season my chicken. I'm making chicken and waffles for dinner. And yeah. So let me. Who is these people? Let me put on the movie and rewatch what I missed. And I guess I'll see y'all when my dinner is ready. All right.
The next day.
We're at my stepson's graduation. I know it's hours later, but yeah. Monday? Oh, okay. A piece of paper rolled up. I'm so proud of you, Dante. It was a long road, right?
Yeah, good
yes.
Job.
Yes.
Buy a house, buy a car.
Start life.
Now the struggle begins. I don't do that, ain't no joke.
Look at him with the umbrella. Because he's a princess. Because he's a princess. He's a princess. So
I fell.
My Mama D watching her food. Look. We are at what's the name of it? It's called Cajun. Cajun Seafood Buffet. Oh, Grandma would have loved it here. It's real nice. We waiting for Dante and his friend Naira to come. Yeah, and then